Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another Luvme hair wig install. Now if you don't know about Luvme hair, they actually produce game changer on effortless wig installations. All of their wigs come ready to go with uncompromising quality, and of course they are at a really good price. One thing about Luvme hair is that they love to switch it up. Switching it up is everything. So today I will be showing you guys their waterwave 360 long wig, 100% human hair that comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked for you. I actually have this wig in 24 inches and I will be showing you guys the different styling that you can do with just this one wig unit. So as always, I'm giving you guys a quick unboxing before we jump right into the tutorial. Luvme hair loves to send a lot of gifts along with their wig units. So here is the wig here. Once again, it is their waterwave 360 lace long wig. It is 100% human hair and this lace does come pre-bleached and pre-plucked for you. As you guys can see, that hairline is looking extremely natural. So straight out the box, there is nothing that you guys have to do at all. The wig cap also has 4 different combs and the adjustable strap as well for a nice secure fitting. So let's go ahead and jump on into the tutorial. Now I did go ahead and get the wig ready off camera, but I wanted to show you guys this lace once more while it is on my wig head. Mind you guys, I did not do anything to the wig whatsoever. This is fresh out the box. And I wanted to give you guys a close-up of this curl pattern. This is a waterwave wig. Waterwave wigs tend to only need literally just water and you let it air dry. It has amazing density and that is the purpose of this wig unit. It's not really meant to have tight curls or anything like that. It's supposed to look extremely effortless and extremely full, so that's what we're going to focus on today. I'm also giving you guys a close-up of that lace, and remember this is a 360 wig unit, which means you can actually do so many different styles with it. You can leave it down and you can also put it up as well, and no one would ever know that you're wearing a wig, trust me. So the first thing that I'm going to do as always is just add some foundation onto this lace. Now this lace is pre-bleached by the way, but I will just let you guys know that on me, the lace was looking a little beige-ish, so I did have to add some foundation to help it match my skin color as much as possible, but we'll talk more about that when we get there. After you add your foundation, go ahead and adjust the adjustable strap and throw the wig on. Now the one thing that I noticed was that this hairline was everything. They did a really good job with the bleaching and the plucking as well. So to all my beginners out there, there's nothing that you have to do when it comes to this wig unit. So all of my girls who are a little bit more particular, as you guys can see, they gave you a really good head start. But in my personal opinion, you do not need to pluck anything else and you do not need to bleach anything else. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this lace. I'm gonna cut on the side first and just use the stitching as a guide, and then I'm gonna cut around my ears. Once I finish cutting around my ears, I did take the wig off, that way I could cut the rest of the lace off of the back. So I went ahead and cut all that additional lace off from the back. The back of this wig, even though this is a 360, keep that in mind, the back of this wig is more so like a closure, so it's really not going to be hard to install this wig. You don't have to worry about adding glue or spray in the back of your hairline. You don't have to do that. So I went ahead and used my scissors and cut off all the additional lace from the front, and now I'm gonna go ahead and use some lace melting spray to secure that lace down in place. And just so you guys know, with Luvme hair wigs, I tend to have a little bit more wig cap room in the back. It is a little spacious on me, so I prefer to work in sections. And if you have the same issue like me where your hairline comes out too far, the wig cap may be a little loose, etc., working in sections is the best option for you. That way nothing gets too messy on the lace or on your forehead or anything like that. You want to be patient and you want to do this as neatly as possible, so work in sections. Alright you guys, trust the process. I know that you can see the lace, but we'll worry about that in just a second. I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of the hair up and use my elastic band, and I let the lace melt for about 15 minutes. Alright, the elastic band is off. I am in absolute awe with this hairline. This hairline is everything. However, the color of this lace is not. So I will be adding some more foundation right at the edges of the lace to cover it up as much as possible. The only thing is that this lace was a little thicker than others, so I will say that it was kind of hard to hide the color of it and the texture of it, but I blended it in as much as possible without adding too much product, because I feel like if you add too much makeup to your lace or you tint it a little bit too much, it's going to be extremely noticeable, which is what we do not want. Do just enough, that way it looks as natural as possible. Okay, this is the final look of the lace, and I will say she is looking a whole lot better than how she was looking in the beginning. She's giving natural, at least as natural as she can be, right? She's looking really good though, and the fact that this hairline is super natural, it just makes everything work. So remember what I said when it comes to water wave wigs. Water wave wigs are a natural, wavy, curly type of pattern. You do not need a ton of product when it comes to wigs like this. I normally just use water and some mousse, and I let it air dry. If you prefer less density and you want to show off that wavy pattern a lot more, then I would prefer that maybe you use a little bit of gel and you work in sections. But normally water wave wigs, you just add water and a little bit of mousse and you're good to go. They're literally meant to just look super effortless, and you want to make sure that you get as much density out of them as possible. But as you guys can see, I'm just using my hot comb just to touch up the hair a little bit and make sure that the top of the wig is laying extremely flat. You guys know that I do not like bulky wig units, so I'm using my wax stick and my hot comb just to ensure that she's laying super flat and looking extremely sleek and natural. And just like that, you guys, we are all finished. Now this is my favorite style when it comes to this particular wig unit. I felt like it was absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna give you guys some more styles as well, but this deep C curve part was everything to me. Now if you want like a no part look, this is what it looks like. In my personal opinion, if you wanted to rock this look, you will have to add just a little bit of baby hair if you're my skin color or darker, because this particular lace is more so of a beige color, and I just felt like it showed a whole lot more with that particular style. Next, I did an updo just so I can show you guys that wonderful hairline and the fact that this is a 360 wig. The back of the wig, once again, is more so like a lace closure. So I just went ahead and used the comb that was sewed onto this wig cap and tucked her right on in, and that's literally all that I had to do. But comment down below and let me know which hairstyle was your absolute favorite. As far as the quality of this hair, you guys, the quality was everything, and the density was everything as well. The hair was super full, which is something that I look for when it comes to water wave wigs, and the fact that this wig is super versatile because it is a 360 wig unit was great. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out my description box down below. Everything will be listed there. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.